Hello everyone, welcome to English with Shakeel. This is my very first video on this channel, and honestly, I am a little nervous. But at the same time, I am really excited because this channel is not only about teaching English, it is also about learning English together. Maybe your English is weak right now, and to be honest, my English is not perfect either. But you know what? That is completely okay. Because nobody becomes fluent in one day. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. And that is exactly why I started this channel. Not to act like a perfect teacher, but to grow together with you. On this channel, we will learn English grammar, daily conversation, English learning tricks, and interesting English stories. And the best thing is, I will explain everything in a very simple and easy way. No difficult English, no confusing grammar, just simple learning step by step. And I promise you one thing, I will not give up on this journey, and I hope you will not give up either. Maybe today we make mistakes, maybe we feel shy while speaking English, maybe people laugh at us, but one day we will speak confidently. That day will come. We just need practice, consistency, and patience. So if you are someone who wants to improve English and wants to have friends on this journey, then you are in the right place. This is not just my channel anymore. This is our learning journey. So let's support each other, learn together, and improve together. And if you want to become fluent in English with me, then subscribe to English with Shakeel. And let's begin this journey together. See you in the next video.